viewers! Health facts you never knew. In today's video, you will learn some health facts that you never knew that will help you stay on top of your health knowledge. Sugar is as bad for you as cigarettes. Although sugar may not have the same negative connotations as smoking, the truth is that indulging in sweet snacks or desserts can be just as harmful to your health as smoking. Research conducted by academics at the University of California has found that sucrose is equally harmful to the body as both alcohol and cigarettes, and that it should therefore be regulated to keep sugar consumption under control. An hour's sleep could make you happier than $60,000. What would it take for you to be more content? Is there a better job? A high pay, perhaps? According to a study conducted in the United States by psychologist Daniel Kahneman and his colleague, a rise in household income has only a minor impact on your overall mood on a daily basis. In fact, according to the research, obtaining 1 extra hour of sleep each night has a greater impact on your daily happiness than receiving a $60,000 rise. Exercise won't make you thin. Even though many people utilize exercise as their main way of weight management, numerous studies have shown that exercise, when not paired with dietary adjustments, has very little effect on weight loss in comparison to other methods. Following 12 weeks of supervised cardio workouts without dieting, researchers discovered that the vast majority of obese participants did not see any meaningful weight loss results. The findings were published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine. However, it is crucial to realize that, while exercise alone may not result in weight loss, it does have a variety of other health benefits. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of a future video. Chewing gum boosts your brain power. Don't have time for your morning cup of coffee? No problem. Instead of a piece of chewing gum, try a piece of sugarless gum to feel more awake. Researchers at Coventry University have shown that chewing gum with a mint flavor can significantly reduce sensations of fatigue and fatigue-related feelings. Separate research investigations have found that chewing gum can increase test scores and memory by as much as 35% when used in conjunction with other strategies. Coffee can help ward off depression. We frequently hear about how dangerous caffeine is for us, but according to a study conducted by the Harvard School of Public Health, drinking 4 or more cups of caffeinated coffee each day can reduce the risk of depression by 20% in women. Women who drink more than 2 cups of coffee every day, according to a previous study of over 80,000 women, are less likely to commit suicide. According to the findings, staying hydrated boosts your metabolism. Drinking 8 glasses of water a day, several studies stated that staying adequately hydrated helps people lose weight, both by curbing appetite and increased lipolysis, or the breakdown of fats. Go ahead and top off your glass. Being optimistic can save your life. We are all aware that thinking positively may have a significant impact on your happiness. But recent research has showed that being an optimist can also help you live longer lives. According to the findings published in the European Heart Journal, optimistic people are less likely to suffer from heart disease, and researchers at Duke University Medical Center discovered that heart patients who were more optimistic about their treatment lived longer than those who were not optimistic about their treatment. Cash machines are as dirty as public toilets. However, cleaning tests conducted in the United Kingdom have showed that ATM machines are equally as filthy as public restrooms. If not filthier, then they were broken before they were used. Using samples taken from cash machines' keypads, as well as swabs taken from neighboring public restrooms, experts discovered that they both carried the same types of bacteria that are known to cause illness. Drinking something hot to cool down. Conventional wisdom may tell you that if you are hot, drinking something cold will cool down your body. However, research has shown that on a hot day, drinking a hot beverage may help your body stay cool. The reason being that when you drink a hot drink, your body produces sweat to cool down your body temperature. What are your thoughts on this video? Please let us know at the comment section below. Did you enjoy the video? Please let us know at the comment section below. Give it a thumbs up and share with your friends for a future video. Thanks for watching. For more health, fitness and tips, subscribe to the channel.